Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox Robux purchase issues. First, let's start with some basic checks. Always ensure your internet connection is stable and strong, as a weak signal can interrupt transactions. Next, confirm that your chosen payment method has enough funds available to cover the purchase amount. It's also a good idea to verify you are properly logged into your Roblox account. Finally, try restarting the Roblox application or even your entire device. Sometimes a simple refresh can resolve temporary glitches. If the initial checks don't work, let's dive deeper into payment and account details. Double-check that all your payment information, such as card numbers and billing addresses, is completely accurate. Sometimes a small typo can prevent a transaction. Consider trying a different payment method, like another credit card or a gift card, to see if that resolves the problem. Also, review your Roblox purchase history for any pending transactions that might be stuck. Finally, check your bank or card statements for any failed attempts or error codes. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, it's time to consider contacting Roblox support directly. Be sure to provide them with all your transaction details, including any error messages you received. Also, check your device's date and time settings. Incorrect settings can sometimes interfere with secure connections. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, try temporarily disabling it, as these can sometimes block transactions. Lastly, clearing the cache and data for the Roblox application can often fix underlying software conflicts. Understanding common reasons for purchase errors can help prevent future issues. Sometimes, Roblox server outages can temporarily prevent transactions for everyone. Checking their status page can be helpful. Incorrect billing information, even a minor detail, is a very frequent cause of failed purchases. Also, be aware that parental controls or spending limits set on your account or payment method might be blocking the transaction. Always ensure your Roblox application is updated to its latest version for optimal performance and security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.